everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through an issue that is Apple Pay billing shopping address invalid error. If your iPhone is showing this invalid error, then to solve this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, open your settings on your device. Once you are on settings, go through the general and hit on the software update and check if any updates are available. If there are any, then please do update your system. Once you do that, go back and hit on your Apple ID and then go through the payment and shipping. From there, if you have already added the address, click on the edit option on the top right corner and then edit it. If you haven't added, then add the new billing address. In this way, you can solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.